Hey Go High Learners, in this video we'll be discussing about an amazing tool that is called Personalized Images Tools. As by the name you can also imagine the functionalities, but we have to dive in, install it, and check on what value is being provided by it. We are right now on our agency level and we have to find for the app marketplace. Here it is in the navigation bar and search on. Here it is. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose a more. If you choose a more, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But right now we'll be just using our specific sub account is this one. Continue with that. And in a moment it will be installed. Here we go. Let's just move forward towards our sub account. As you can see from here as well, find for the sub account. Here we are in our sub account level and we have to head towards the workflow builder towards through the automations. From here you can find it in the navigation bar. Let's just create a new workflow. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for personalized images tools. Here it is. These are the variety of actions that you can use in your workflows and create your own automations. You can create images, you can rotate, you can customize these images accordingly. You can use these functionalities as resizing it. You can convert it, you can add blur effect. Let's just execute a few of these to just have have a gesture of what actually the tool does. Here we are in our workflow builder now, and as you can see, I have already created a situation using our workflow in our builder. And if somebody just fills out the form from the LinkedIn and it is considered as a lead, then an image will be created using the action from personalized images tools. And look what we have entered the data. I have already used our completed form from the templates in the drop down, as you can see. From here, if you create any form, you can just use that template from here as well. It will be appearing in this drop down. After that, using the custom values, the first name and the last name, save this one. After that, I have entered the notes using the URL of the image through the custom values from here. Image, this one. All right, next one is I have settled a condition that image will be sent using a certain sort of criteria. After that, if the lead fulfills the criteria of that, then the email will be sent to him about the things we will be doing for him from here. And if not, nothing will be happening. So if you save it and just test your workflows using any of your contact, run this, head towards your execution logs, and one by one, as you can see, all of them are executed successfully. The image, the notes, and the conditions as well. Now let's check on what's inside the notes. Here we are on our sub account level and in the contact section to check on what's inside the notes. This is the asset, basically the image URL we have created right now using the action. And here we go. I've used this template. I've already made it. So using the action, the asset has been used in this way. So let's move forward towards our next actions using the different use cases. Here we are in another workflow. As you can see, I've already created that as well. If you want to launch a new product and you can just give your customer a bit of a teaser about the things and you want to just blur it, you can use the blur effect of the crystallized images tools. And also just if the image is in PNG or JPG, whatever it is, you can just change the format of that basically. So let me just explain it in the order. I have entered a trigger in the first place on the top, and after that I have used this one, this action, You will be entering the basic euro of the image you will be using. Like in this case, we are using this for a teaser of our product we're going to launch on the new year. And then after that, you can use the image name and the blur value as well. It can be up to 100 as well, or up to 10 as well. So save this one. I've using the conversion as well. I want to just convert it from PNG to JPG. So in the dropper, you can see the things, the name, the euro. After that, I have entered the notes using the custom values. This is the euro. This is the status of that. And after that, this is also the euro. You can find it in the custom values, the euro, and the status and the euro as well. And in the end, I've entered the condition that if the customer is loyal, or you can just also enter some more filters in that if the customer is getting much of the sales and all the stuff for you, so you can just categorize them and only send the email to those you want. And in the email, the action name, the contact name, the contact email, the subject of your email, basically. And after that, this is also the euro using the custom values. I have also used the same thing here as well. When we save it, just test it from your context, run. And one by one, as you can see, all of them will be executed here successfully. The blur effect, the conversion. Now let's check on what's inside the notes. Here we are again in our sub account level. In the contact section, you can find for the notes. And here is the blurred image. And here is the converted image, the status of that, and the URL of that as well. Let's check on one by one. This is the converted image into JPG. And let's check on for the second one. For the second one, this one. This is the blurred one. You can just customize it accordingly, as it was the PNG image, so that's why it happened. But when you use a JPG one, it will be blurring all of the things for you. So that's why. All right, let's move forward towards another workflow to check on the other actions provided by personalized images tools. Here we are in our workflow builder again, and we will be just let's suppose a store wants to launch a new year bag, and you can just add text on that and resize the image accordingly on in the format you want to just customize it. So we have used that kind of things in this workflow. I have entered the trigger that somebody has filled the form for that new year bag specifically, or you want to just give away or something like that on that occasion to your loyal customers. So when the customer just fills the form, the action will be running from here. The add text on image from our tool, the, the text on that, the name on that. This text will be appearing on your specific image, and here will be you will be entering the euro of that. You can resize it with the euro, the name, and the pixels. And from here you can just add the pixels, the sizing. In the end, you can just add the condition that who will be just having the advantage of these kind of things. You will be sending the email to them only. Other than that, the other will not be having the advantage. An email will be sent from the customer values. You can enter the name of the contact, the email, the subject line, and after that I have entered the URL of that image with the contact name. And in this way, we will be just offering 50% of those specific lines. Let's save and test our workflows through our contacts. Run, head towards our execution logs. And as you can see, both of them are executed successfully with the other workflows as well. So let's check on what's inside the nodes. This is just agency tool, so that's why we will be only seeing the results from here or in the backend as well. In the sub account level, you can check on the nodes from the context. And as you can see, this is the euro of that. The text has been there in the right corner because of the sizing, but you can customize it accordingly as we have just resized it to a smaller image. So that's why the euro has put in the side of that. So you can just use a larger image to just enter your text on the image, and don't forget to just resize it to a larger one to get the better results. Hope you like it. Thank you so much, guys.